Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Brown with CORE Chiropractic. Today's video is to discuss how to get rid of mid-back pain as fast as you can. So we got to figure out first why you're having mid-back pain. The most common thing that we see coming to our office is posture. The repetitive motions of sitting in a bad position, especially those that are sitting on the desk. Then how you're sleeping, but then you have other repetitions that happen like golfing, where you twist the same way and you put a lot of strain and stress on that middle back. Other things like your occupation, where you can be using your arms in front of your body a lot. If you think about carpenters, you think about like hairstylists, those type of jobs that have you to have more rounded shoulders. Same thing with people that paint or hammer a lot. So we got Eduardo here. He's going to demonstrate just how we can start to change our posture. That's one of the quickest ways to start getting ahead of your mid-back pain. So I want Eduardo to kind of mimic someone sitting at a desk here. And typically what happens is most people have a backrest or back support on their chairs, just with a normal office desk. And the thing about it is they're sitting back against it. A lot of people say they sit up and they're leaning forward. So what you want to do is sit back, use your back support, but also make sure that this part of your middle back is pushing forward like it should be. When it's not, you're putting a bad strain on how your normal alignment should be and where that curve should be there, and where less curving should be curving the other way in this area right here. But you stabilize this area, that'll help you to stabilize that middle back. Same thing with the shoulders. When you holding the keyboard, do like you were just doing and pull those shoulders back some. You want to kind of pinch those shoulder blades here, pull your keyboard and mouse close to you by allowing the elbows to come closer to your body, and it'll allow you to sit up straighter. And of course, you want to keep your head up straight. So how these things start to cause pain, and you can relax your arms there. How these things start to cause pain is you get muscles that pull joints, and you get joints that get out of alignment, and that's where it gets irritated. The muscles start to spasm and grab. You get that tension that never seems like it wants to go away. You try to get massages and those things, and it seems like they don't last as long as they should. It's only because your structure is not in the right position. So here at CORE, we want to do a full evaluation to figure out how you got this mid-back pain. Let's figure out where those bad alignments are. We call them subluxations. That's when the bone shifts out of its normal alignment. Let's get those corrected so your muscles can relax. We can get massage, and you can get those things then, and they'll start to last longer. Your alignment will start to hold longer the more you do it, and things will get better and better as you go. So the quickest ways you can also things you can do to help is foam rolling, using lacrosse balls. Those help to help get those knots out. But make sure you get adjusted and get your spine back in the right alignment. That's the fastest way to get rid of mid-back pain. So if this sounds like you, CORE Chiropractic is the answer. Call us, contact us, and we'll get you set up. All right, see you next time.